welcome to the third part of this workout, or the first part if you're just going to do this video and you just randomly found it. The way I filmed this video is there is 2 parts before this, but honestly, every single part of this is going to be really effective on its own. That was just the journey I was on that day. So what you're going to need for this workout is a little towel, something you can put your foot up on, a stair or a chair or even your couch would be fine. And then if you have a little resistance band, I just realized my little dog took mine. Perfect, I just found it. Sorry. If you watch the other 2 videos, you'll see what's been going on in here. It's a little wild. But yeah, I have a little dachshund and she's been getting involved. So if you have one of these little circle bands, those are the things you need. Okay, so we're gonna start in with this band around the arches of your feet and right down on your forearms, okay? So you're gonna be right here, kicking straight up, okay? If you don't have a band, you're going to, here she is, you're gonna just follow along body weight, okay? So ready, set, and go. 1, 2, we're going all the way to 15, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and make sure the legs way up straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, so your butt should be feeling it. We've only done the one side. So the same leg that you were using, you're gonna go back into a curtsy lunge, okay? So what's gonna happen, so the leg that you were kicking back is gonna be in front, and you're gonna kick the other leg over to the side, okay? So you're going into a curtsy lunge. If you have a little dog or a dumbbell that you wanna hold at your chest to make it harder, feel free, but you can do this body weight also. So ready, set, go. If I don't hold her, she's gonna attack the towel. So we're doing 10 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, sliding it out to the side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more rep, 10, perfect. Okay, coming back down onto the floor, so the same leg that was in front is going to be the leg that's kicking out. So you're going fire hydrant, lateral kick, okay? Fire hydrant, lateral kick. We're doing 10 reps. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Okay, coming around, so that little step that you had, you're coming right in nice and close. That same leg that you were just kicking is going to be the one on top, and the other leg's up in the air, and you're kicking that leg up into the guy. Okay, so we've got 15 of these. So ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, get right up to the top, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Bam. Okay, that's our series. Okay, so going into the other side, and here we go. So one more set on the other side. We're only gonna do one set of this, okay? So kicking out, you've got your elbows down, you're gonna take a deep breath, and then you're gonna kick back. Okay, so make sure you got enough room. Ready, set, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the other side. Okay, so remember you had, just gonna move this for a sec here. So you had that one leg kicking back, that's gonna be the leg in front. And we're going out to the side. Okay, here we go. So ready, curtsy. 1, 2, just 10 reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bingo. Okay, coming down to those fire hydrant kicks, okay? Getting yourself set up. It's only 10 reps. So here we go. Ready, set, take a deep breath. Fire hydrant, lateral kick, okay? Ready, first rep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bam. Okay. Other side, or same side, but last exercise. Coming in nice and close. Going into that glute bridge. So 15 reps. Ready, into these guys. 1, 2, feeling that hamstring in the bum. 3, pushing through that heel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Bam. Okay, breathing. How are we doing? Okay, so we're only doing that series once, but what we're doing for the second set will be kind of the same, but kind of different, okay? So this time, you're coming onto all fours, hands are below the shoulders. You're going back to your original leg. You're gonna keep your back nice and still, and you're kicking up. So try not to arch your back, okay? You're gonna keep that nice and still, and kick up, okay? Pushing the heel. Try not to point your toe either. Keep it nice and straight. Okay, ready, set, go. We're going 15 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, coming into those curtsy lunges one more time. Okay, so you're here, you got the same leg in front, and we're kicking out, or so we're curtsying out to the side. Okay, so we're gonna do one more set of these guys. Ready, set, go. Just 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing great. 5, 6, feeling that lateral side of the bum. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Okay, coming back down onto all fours. You're extending that same leg that was in front. Back nice and flat. And we're rainbowing across the mat. Okay, we're gonna go for 15 reps. So here we go. 1, keep your back as still as possible. 2, 3, leg is straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Okay, little tiny circles with your knee. So this knee is working. We've got 10 circles, okay? So ready, set, Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Going the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, last exercise of the day. You're coming, or not of the day, of this side. Just gonna push this against the wall, just so that I have a little bit more control. You're gonna come in nice and close. So what we're gonna do this set is we're gonna do 5 full range reps with 10 little pulses at the top. We're gonna do that twice, okay? So you're in nice and close, same setup as the first set. Your one leg's up, so remember the leg you were just using to do the circles is the one that's down. And you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, holding it on the 5th one, and 10 little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back down to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Last set of pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Whew. Nice work. Okay. So you guys will be happy to know, especially the people that have followed from the beginning of this workout, that we only have the other side to do. And then we're done, okay? So coming into all fours, micro bend and elbow, find that stillness in your back, and we're going for 15 reps into the donkey kicks. That's number 1, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm just going to quickly move this mat so I can do those curtsy lunges. So remembering keeping that leg that you were kicking up is the one in front. Take a deep breath, and we're going out to the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Okay. Coming in to high twos. Coming into all fours. Let's do those rainbows. Back nice and still. 15 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice smooth rainbow. 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm just going to turn around to do those circles so I have more space. So remember, we've got 10 circles on either side. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That burns. Going the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bingo. Okay, last exercise of the day. You guys are doing great. Remember, it's that one where we're going 5 reps all the way up, 10 pulses at the top, and we're going to do 2 sets. So here we go. Almost done. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, little tiny pulses, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Chill. Thank you guys for joining me for that workout. I'm filming this at 5 p.m. after finishing all my clients for the day, and it motivated me to do this workout to film it for you. So I hope it was motivating for you to do this workout with me. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more of it, subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my community. I'm just starting this channel and I'm enjoying the feedback so far. So thank you guys. Have a good day.